Eden's Garden Essential Oils presents quick tips for using our Cough and Congestion Relief Blend. Cough and Congestion Relief Blend. This unique blend of essential oils is your go-to wellness companion, designed to make each breath you take smoother and less strained, especially during those challenging seasonal changes. What's in it? Cough and Congestion Relief is a blend of nature's most respiratory-friendly oils, including rosemary, cardamom, juniper berry, and hyssop. How to use Cough and Congestion Relief. 1. Chest rub. 2. Bath salt blend. 3. Steam inhalation. Chest rub. What you need: 15 drops of Cough and Congestion Relief Blend, 4 teaspoons of carrier oil, 2 teaspoons of soy wax. How to. 1. In a double boiler, melt the soy wax. 2. Once melted, add the carrier oil and remove from heat. 3. Stir in Cough and Congestion Relief Blend. Transfer to a 1 ounce glass jar, let cool, and rub onto your chest when cough and congestion strikes. Bath salt blend. What you need: 6 drops of Cough and Congestion Relief Blend, 1 ounce of carrier oil, 1 cup of unscented Epsom salt, 1/4 cup of baking soda. How to. 1. Combine oil and dry ingredients separately, then blend both mixtures. 2. Add your bath salt to a warm bath. 3. Soak for 20 minutes or more. Steam inhalation. What you need: 2 drops of Cough and Congestion Relief Blend, a bowl of steaming water, towel. How to. 1. Add Cough and Congestion Relief Blend to the bowl of steaming water. 2. Close your eyes, drape a towel over your head and the bowl. 3. Inhale for 5 minutes or longer. Discover more 100% pure essential oils at edensgarden.com.